Hi everybody! Welcome to our channel, A-NATH-ing Under the Sun. If you're new to our channel, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell below to notify you in our next video.
Today I'd like to share with you how do I arrange a flower or bouquet of flower, especially on a special occasion like Valentine's or birthday or whatever special occasion is. So I have a beautiful bouquet here, and I just have to arrange them. So I have a vase with water, of course, so we'll need also the scissors to cut them. So let's start. In the flower, usually they give you this kind of wood for the bouquet, for the flowers. So all you have to do is put this in here together with the water before you begin, so that you mix that powder here to give more, to make the flowers stay longer. So I think we should begin with the roses, because this little thing here, these leaves here are just to make it extra volume to the bouquet. So let's begin with the roses first. There it is. Wow. Smell good. So with this, I think we're just gonna cut them the same size, or we'll cut them in almost like this. So maybe just 1 inch. Okay, I'll cut it like that. Cut it like that. 1 inch from the stem of the roses. Flowers.
Beautiful flower.
Yeah, you like it, Natalie? Beautiful flowers, eh?
Flower.
You like it? That's for mommy. So there's about how many roses in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, one more. 12. So there's a dozen of roses in the bouquet.
Wow.
So it's somewhat assorted. So red and some light pink and fuchsia pink roses. So now it looks like it's full already. So that means we need more space for this. So we kind of have to trim the leaves so that we will have room for this remaining Tcharam!
Thank you for watching and God bless.